Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to easily convert FLV or MKV file to MP4 in OBS. By default, my OBS saves my file in FLV. However, my video editor doesn't take FLV file, so I have to convert it to MP4. It's really easy to do it with OBS. First, we are going to click on File and then select Remux Recordings. Over here, you can either drag and drop your file into this bar, or you can click on the three dots right here to locate your file. For the first demo, I'm going to use the Select File option. Here we have the MKV file, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. And then if I go all the way over here, see how it says .mp4? Then just click on Remux. And that's it. By default, the file is saved in the same folder. And here you see there's the MP4 version of this file. Now we are going to use the drag and drop function. I'm going to go ahead and drag this file into this bar right here. And if I go all the way here, see how it's also going to convert to MP4. So go ahead and click on Remux. And that's it. Now I do want to say my file is really small because I was just doing a demonstration. Now you'll be able to use the MP4 file for your video editing. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!